Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some Asian style chicken drumstick. I only have just a few chicken thigh in my bowl right there, as you can see. So these are all of my seasoning. You have garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, peri seasoning, onion powder, smoked paprika, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, chicken seasoning, and it's 1 teaspoon. Okay, so first you just want to blend all of your seasoning together like so. And guys, I leave the chicken skin on my chicken. Okay, so after you blend all of your seasoning together, now you're just gonna take your hand and you're just gonna sprinkle it all over on your chicken. Okay, and I'm just turning over my chicken drumstick and just season it on the other side also. Then you just want to take your hands and just massage it all in like so. Make sure the seasoning is all over on your chicken, okay? Because you want it to be nice and full of flavor. Yeah. I'm just using my remaining seasoning that's left. So my chicken is all seasoning, and guys, you can always marinate your chicken for at least 2 hours, okay? So these are what I'm gonna use to make my sauce. So here I have 2 spoonful of honey, and I also have 3 spoonful of barbecue sauce and 1/4 cup of ketchup, okay? So I'm also gonna add some bell pepper, and guys, as you can see, that's all the color and that's the amount that I'm using. I also have 1 onion, chopped onion, and I'm also gonna add some sugar, white sugar, 2 spoonful. You can also use dark sugar, okay? So now I'm gonna brown my chicken. So here I have 1/4 cup of vegetable oil in my pot. Guys, make sure your oil is hot before you add your chicken, okay? And I'm gonna allow my chicken to brown for at least 5 minutes on each side, okay? And make sure you don't put all the chicken in your pot all at once, okay? So now I'm gonna turn my chicken, and guys, as you can see, it is nice and golden, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. So I'm just gonna remove my first batch of chicken because it's browned. So guys, make sure you wait for your oil to heat up, then you can add the rest of the batch of the chicken, okay? So I'm just continuing with the same process, just turning my chicken because you can see it is brown. So now I'm just gonna remove my chicken because it is all browned. So guys, all of my chicken has browned. So now I have a pot on the stove. Guys, make sure you wash your pot, okay? So in my pot there, I've got 1 spoonful of butter, and I also add my onions, and I'm just gonna leave it to saute for at least 1 minute, okay? Give it a stir so all that flavor will combine together. So after 1 minute, I'm gonna add half a cup of boiling water to my pot, okay? So after adding my boiling water, now I'm gonna add my ketchup. And guys, make sure you give it a good stir so everything will all combine together, okay? So after adding my ketchup, now I'm just gonna add my barbecue sauce and my honey. Then I'm gonna also add some seasoning. So in my bowl right there, I have some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, and some Cajun seasoning. And guys, it is half teaspoonful, okay? And you can also taste your liking. So now I'm gonna also add my sugar, and you're just gonna stir it, okay? so everything will all combine together like so. So this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some red food coloring to my sauce. And guys, do not add a lot, okay? Because it is really strong. I add at least 1 teaspoonful or even half a teaspoonful, not a lot. Then you just want to just combine it all together. So that's the color that it has. And guys, that color is just perfect for me. I don't need no more. I just like the color of it. It's just gonna make the sauce just look so nice, you know? It's gonna make it look like sweet and sour sauce. Yeah. So now I'm just adding my chicken to my sauce. Just space it all over in your pot. And guys, just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? Then you're just gonna pour all that delicious sauce all over on your chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good already. And guys, you're just gonna allow it to cook for at least 40 minutes, okay? And make sure you cover your pot. Yeah. So that's what it look like after 40 minutes. And guys, as you can see, the sauce is reduced and it is thickened up. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. Me looking at it right now, my mouth is just watering. Just absolutely delicious. Just look at that color. So yummy. So I'm just adding some fresh thyme. It is totally optional, but it's just gonna add more flavor to the pot, okay? And I'm also adding all of my bell peppers and my chopped onion. And guys, you're just gonna leave it for at least 5 minutes, okay? And it is finished. Yeah. And you just want to pour all that delicious sauce all over on your bell pepper, okay? So my Asian style chicken is finally finished, and that's what it's look like. Guys, I'm telling you, it looking so good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay? So I'm just serving my Asian style chicken with some basmati plain rice. And guys, if you do enjoy this video, please share it to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and comment below, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification so you can receive more videos like these. And make sure you pour all that sauce all over on your chicken. Guys, just look at that. It looks so good. So guys, it is all plated up. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. God bless you all. Oh my gosh.